Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about this is how you can make $100 to $1,000 or more per day. So make sure you watch this video, all right? So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Excited to have you here. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. Show this video some love by subscribing. Turn on that bell notification so every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And if you like this video, give this video some love and help out the channel by hitting that thumbs up. All right. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. I'm going to give you guys a brand new video, and this one is going to be packed with a lot of value. This is how you can make $100 to $1,000 or more per day. All right. So the very first thing I'm talking about is affiliate marketing, right? And affiliate marketing is just a great way how you can make money, right? So how I'm going to show you guys is the first thing you have to do, you have to find a product that will equivalent to making you either $100 or up to $1,000 per day, all right? And many people think that you have to sell or you have to promote a lot of different things at lower cost in order for you to make $100 a day or $1,000. Now, if you want to make that type of money, right, you have to have a product, right? And when I mean a product, you have to have something that's either equivalent to that specific product, right, or close. So what I'm sharing with you right now, there's different websites that you can go and find a specific product, such as like ClickBank, JVZoo, right? You got Legendary Marketer. You have tons of other programs out there that you can leverage and you can make this type of money. Now, the very first thing that you want to do, right? You want to make sure that you have a product that whenever you receive a commission, that's what you're going to be receiving, right? So let's say if you sell 2 or 3 of those products in an entire day, you'll make $100 or even $1,000, right? Because if you're going to use your time and the effort, why not just put it in? And you want to make sure that, that the product that you're selling, maybe it's going to be 30 to, let's say, $50 sale, or it's going to be anywhere from 97 to, let's say, 150, right? Or the product is going to be anywhere from 200 to, let's say, 375, right? As soon as you find this product, make sure that you love the specific product. And a lot of people just, want to promote something because of the money. Trust me, if you love something and if you're passionate about something, you're more likely to receive way better commission than to just pick something up and start to promote, right? So after you find that product that you're trying to sell, the next thing you want to do, I'm going to show you guys this tool that I'm using. I use this on Facebook. And I know there's a lot of people out there that are creating videos, but they're not showing you guys the ins and outs, behind the scenes, and all that kind of stuff. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to flip my screen. And this tool that I use, it is absolutely free. It doesn't cost any money. And I use it with Facebook, right? So this specific tool or software is called ManyChat. So you guys can go on manychat.com and you could just sign up for free. Now, in order for you to use this, you have to definitely need to find a get your Facebook fan page. So I'm just going to pull up one of my fan page right now because I have so many of them. So you can connect your ManyChat with any one of, you can just create one fan page if you want. You can create multiple, not a problem with that. So I'm just going to jump over this one. I'm going to show you for now. So you see I have so many different fan pages that I've used, because once you're a marketer, you're just going to create multiple different things just to get you going. So let me just minimize this right here, get it out of the way. So this ManyChat itself, right? All you have to do is, as you can see right here, it is absolutely free, right? You can click on where it says dashboard, you have audience, you have live chat, you have growth tools, you have broadcasting. So I'm just going to click on the broadcasting and show you guys how this tool is effective. Now, this has to do with Messenger, right? So if I send a broadcast message out, or let's say I send a message to the people that one subscribe to find out exactly what is it that I'm trying to promote, what is it that I'm trying to sell. Because I set up the different pages, advertise it, and then people are just gonna click on it for more information, right? So if you look right here, you see that the people I've sent it to 300, and this one I sent it to 304 people, right? And 193 people open it and read the information. 27% click on it, so that means they click on the link. So this right here is a high percentage rate, right? So out of 193 people that I sent it to who read it, 27 people actually click on the link. So that is good. That's like a 10% ratio right there. So people are interested in whatever I do. Now, out of these 27 people, what if one convert, right? That's a sale right there. You can make $100. You can make $1,000, right? So as you can see right here, I have a ton of different messages. I'm going to show you like the open rate for these. Like, look at this. I have 95%, 93%, 92%, 91, 90, 86, 85, right? So you can see like the click-through rate. You know, some of these links, some of these broadcasts, there's no links in there. I just send them because you always want to make sure that you provide value at the same time. You just don't want to spam people and overload people with information. So what happened is, once you can create an automation, right? So if you look right here, I can create an automation for my business. So this is like the main menu. I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is like the default reply. So I can reply to people like it's me that's actually talking, right? So there's people that are messaging me like late at night. So I can click on here and say create like a workflow, right? And can create a workflow. I can set it up. So if you look on here, it shows you how it works. So starting set it up, you can set it up right here, right? Mark conversation is open, right? And you can say, I can like set it up. So I could just click on this and I'll be like, put the name, right? I can edit this if I want. All right, let me see. Right, if I can click on it, I can edit it. But I can go in here, I can enable it, right? Once per 24 hours, I can edit the workflow if I want. All right, click on here. I can come in here and I can edit everything, right? So I'm just going to disable it because I know sometimes there's people that are just going to be clicking on. So I'm just making this video just to show you guys, right? So I'm going to turn it off. And then once you set up like a workflow, you can even set up like your welcome message. Like, look at mine. This is my wife and I, right? As you can see right here, it's sent to 119 people, right? It delivered to 119 people. 119 people. So it's 100% open rate, right? So yeah, email marketing is powerful and email marketing is crushing it because I actually get people from my email list onto ManyChat because I tell people, hey, connect with me on Facebook because sometimes you want people to know that, hey, I'm a real person. I'm a real guy. I'm a real marketer, right? I can help you. I can help get you business going and whatever I'm trying to, sell to you, it's something that I actually use, right? So if you look on here, you look at this, 30% click-through rate. So meaning what I just wrote, and you guys can see, I said, hey, welcome. So when they click on it, I said, hey, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my fan page. Our page is mainly focused on positivity and uplifting messages, right? That's my wife and I. We both work from home on our computer to give us time freedom with our baby boy, which is Jackson, right? We only broadcast once in a while and send exclusive offers only found in Messenger. You can also check out the system that we're using. So when they click on this, it takes them to my offer. So people consistently message me over and over and over and over again. So this is just a message that goes out right away because I'm not on Facebook 24 hours a day. And there's people that's coming on all the time. So when people say, hey, I'm making money on autopilot, it is true because once you set it and forget it, all you got to do is just set up your business, start to promote it. Once you start to promote it, you're going to have people flocking in on your Facebook, right? So this is just how I use Facebook. Now, there's a lot of people out there that doesn't use Facebook, and it's okay, right? There's many different ways, but I'm just sharing you in this video how I use this tool, right? This one tool, right, to make $100 or $1,000 a day. There's keywords that you can go in. You can start where people can, like if they ask for like, all right, I need more information. Then your bot, which is your messenger bot, will trigger off and send them whatever that you've created already. And if they say no, you can send them, okay, thank you very much. So it is talking like you. So it's a bot that you set up. So it talks like you when probably you're not sleeping or you haven't gotten fast enough to your message, right? So there's so many different things. And of course, there's always rules. Feel free to check out the rules. There's like a live chat, right? And you can set up the live chat and talk back and forth, right? There's like growth tools and things that you can set up. This is like an info and ads. So basically, as you can see right here, there is 16% open rate. So this means there is 385 impressions. There's 63 opt-in. So it's an ad that I set up where people, when they ask for information, there is the ad, right? You click on it. When they ask for info, right? It's 1 minute later after the person asked for the information. Then my message sent directly to their messenger, right? So everybody read messages, right? It's like text message. You see a text pop up, you're like, whoa, what's that, right? So it's just a powerful way that I use as well to leverage making $1,000 a day, right? And 100, consistently over and over again. So this right here is a great tool, right? I'm sure there's tons of videos out there that will go into more details, but I'm just sharing with you guys that this is one of the tools that I've used to grow my business, all right? So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys start using this tool to your advantage. Don't sleep on it, right? New Year is coming up. Let's crush it this year. I believe in you guys that you can do this. Just be consistent and keep doing your thing, all right? Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. If you like this video, show some love, drop in the comments, and share this with other people in your team or whoever you think deserve to watch this, all right? Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.